All right, welcome. Well, technically, it's a break-even day. What can I say? Overall, made $133 across all the evaluation accounts, but this is 6 accounts. So I'm going to show you. I have an account at Bulenox which made $4, but still, today was a little bit difficult. In the London session on the live stream, I called out a trade on Nasdaq to go along for some buy-side liquidity. I don't even know where. But there was a displacement higher and price retraced back into this fair value gap and immediately took me out. It took like 2 minutes or maybe 1 minute to take me out from this trade. So then it was down 1 hour and then price started to drop. And this area down there is a 1 hour fair value gap, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. And so I targeted this one once more. Oh yeah, this was the trade. I almost forgot. I entered here. This was my stop loss. And as you can see, it almost went to take profit down there. But finally, this was a dirty move. I was holding this trade for quite some time, almost 3 hours. And then took me out here and then went actually to profit. So that was crazy. That was real crazy. And then news came out. So I was down 2R. The dog is barking, so that means everybody go along. So I was down 2R and I scalped my way with micros out of the drawdown. But this rally was really crazy. The CPI report actually did what it used to do. Managed to take out these relative equal highs back here. But anyway, let me show you the account statements just briefly. I'm not going to take too much time with it because this is basically a break-even day. So this is the main Bulenox account. I'm up like $25. The other Bulenox account, I'm up $7 today. And the third Bulenox account, I'm up $4 from 47 to 51. That's awesome. The My Funded Futures account, this is the competition account, so don't worry about that. The My Funded Futures account is up. Which one is that? Yeah, $24. And what else? The Apex account. Sorry, the Apex account. First one is up $45, and the second Apex account is up $28. So overall $133. It is what it is. What can I say? But you know, better being at break even than losing the profits or being in a huge drawdown. This was actually a trade that I didn't take. I thought that we're gonna go to buy side, but anyway, survived it. I'm grateful. Go check out the giveaway. It's gonna happen on Thursday. There's gonna be a My Funded Futures giveaway. Subscribe to the channel and see you guys in the London stream.